Assalamu alaikum. Let's check out the combat system in my upcoming game. First, I will show you the combat in action and then we will go through the animator setup in detail. So, here is the combat system running live. You can see punches, kicks, and even better attacks chaining together smoothly. Combos flow fast, transition are snappy, and everything feels responsive. Now, let's see an action against enemies. And after that, I will explain exactly how the animator is set up behind the scene. Okay, let's jump into the animator and see how I set up the combat system. Don't worry, it looks complicated, but I will keep it simple. So we have got a bunch of layers. We have base layer, arm layer, upper body layer, shooting layer, and the full body layer. The combat system lives in the full body layer because fighting with only arms look weird. So we need to set up it in the full body layer. Inside the full body substate machine, I made two smaller substate machine, one called null and one called attacks. Null is basically the do nothing state. It's our default, so the character doesn't start throwing punches out of nowhere. From null, we can go three ways straight into attack, punches, or kicks. Inside attack, we have got two paths. We have unarmed attack subset machine and bet attack subset machine. Bet attack use attack ID 2 for transition, and unarmed uses ID 0. And unarmed is the default state because not everyone spawns with a bet in hand, right? So we have to keep the unarmed as the default state. I also set up transitions between unarmed and bet attacks. And that way you can switch instantly instead of waiting for the animation to finish. Thanks to something called attack normalized time, set to 0.5, halfway through an animation. You can bail out and swing a bet pretty slick. Now inside unarmed attacks, we have got a kick and punch combo machine. We can create another combo and create a transition from entry straight. Let's check out the combo. Here we can see we have 5 punches and 4 kicks. Look me see a bit, but trust me, it's the best flow. Punches and kicks live together so you can go punch, kick and punch again. Super pass instant combo action. Inside the kick and punch combo substate machine, we have smooth transition setup. We have transition from punch A to punch B and from punch B to punch C and so on. The same goes for kicks, from kick A to kick B and then kick B to kick C. And we also have a cross transition from punches to kicks and kicks to punches. And every state has a transition to exit state. As you can see, we have break attack transition, which cancel the attack, default exit, and we have attack normalized time again. Now let's check out the bet attack substate machine. And as you can see, it's similar. So yeah, that's the combat system, thanks to substate machines. Alright, that's it for today. Go through some punches, swing a bat, and remember, null state is your best buddy when you don't want random attacks popping off. See you in the next one.